Have you ever tried Jajangmyeon? Jajangmyeon is made with black bean sauce and a popular noodle dish in Korea. What is the difference between Jajangmyeon and Jjajang ramen? Jjajang ramen is the home version of Jajangmyeon. You can cook and eat black bean noodles as per the instruction. But you can also enjoy Jjajang ramen as if you were eating at a Chinese restaurant. All you have to do is prepare the Jjajang ramen you want. You also need beef, onion, and oyster sauce. There are so many different types of Jjajang ramen. I chose Chacharoni among them. It's a good one. First, cut the onion into slices. Also, cut the beef into bite-sized pieces. You can use sirloin or tenderloin, etc. Heat oil in a pan, add onion and beef and fry. Sprinkle with pepper. Black bean sauce. A spoonful of sugar. A spoonful of oyster sauce. 200 milliliters of water. Stir fry until the sauce thickens slightly. Add noodles and the flake packet to boiling water and cook for 5 minutes. Put the prepared black bean sauce on the noodles. The taste is sweet and savory. It is better to eat it with kimchi and pickled radish.